What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks, man. Today we have another unboxing, and this time it's for the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, the mocha colorway, the original colorway. And if you guys missed my unboxing of the University Reds, make sure you guys check that out as well. Obviously, I won the raffle for the University Reds, and because I won that raffle, that's the reason why I picked up these right here. So I told you guys I was going to do it, and I did it, and I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys been showing on the channel, man. The channel's doing great this year, and I just really appreciate all you guys, man. You guys are really the best, for real. And also, shout out to all the people that are, from Jack's Kicks, going over to my main channel, Jack's Gaming. Make sure you guys check that out. Link is in the description down below. Enough talking, man. But yeah, Jack's Gaming is my main channel, so make sure you guys check out that as well. So anyways, yeah. So here we go. Here is the box right here. Let me just showcase everything. I did have to pay resale, obviously, but it is what it is, right there and stuff like that. So let's just get right into it, man. You guys already know the box. Everything seems like the presentation and stuff seems like it's the exact same, the presentation as the University Reds. So that's awesome. And here's what everything else looks like when you open up the box. So obviously you get the Jumpman Jack logo all over. And I can't remember, is the University Red look the exact same? I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Really cool. So yes, I guess they all come in a tote bag. Now, my thing is this, though. I want to try and complete the collection. Like, obviously, there's only two colorways out. I have the University Reds and this. The University Reds are definitely the more rare, version. But can I continue to be lucky and get the other ones as well? Resale price on the other ones, hopefully, if they're not as limited as the University Reds, they shouldn't be too terrible. So hopefully from, this point on, all his other, colorways of the Jumpman Jacks, hopefully they're pretty, affordable, or I could just get them from a raffle or whatever. But yeah, so same tote bag as well. There you go. You guys can see the Jumpman Jack logo and the Jordan logo. They are already wrapped up. Obviously, everything's going to be open. Everything's going to be open, because I did get this for resale, and they obviously have to inspect the shoe and stuff like that. So that is a bummer. It's not like full on packaged, perfectly like how it was for the University, Reds, but it still has the same sticker and stuff saying that the jack on the bottom will wear off from use, which does suck, man. I really wish that jack on the bottom of the shoe was, stayed intact, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and unwrap this shoe right here, and then we'll go ahead and put this here, and wow, here it is, man. Really nice stuff, man. Wow, really nice. Here are the other ones as well, but here it is, man. Wow. Oh, and I just noticed it's a completely different material from the University Reds. You know what? I'm gonna go get the University Reds real quick. All right, so I guess I was tripping. I completely thought that the University Reds had a sway on them, the suede material on them, but they don't. Okay, so I was tripping. I thought that they were. I haven't worn these yet. Obviously, like I said, I was gonna take my time with these. Like, I do not plan on wearing either colorway anytime soon. I'm gonna just let them sit for a little bit, and then once the perfect timing, cool event comes out, then I'll decide to wear them. But yeah, make sure you guys check out the unboxing right here for these. Not gonna showcase them too much here, but we got them here. There you go. There, I put them right there. But anyways, yes. So here we are. Here we go. We have them right here. And yes, like I said, I did pay resale for these. Now, I did get them off of StockX. I know obviously people are like, oh, StockX, go, whatever. No, these are definitely legit, man. These are definitely legit for sure. Obviously, shoelaces are on the right packaging. The packaging of the shoelaces are definitely the exact same. So everything seems definitely legit. Oh my gosh, the lace options on these are crazy too. Oh my gosh! So we need to definitely take a look at this shoe. All right. So here's the left shoe. Like I said, obviously we got it from StockX, and but here it is right here. Here's a look at the Jumpman logo. And this was a type of shoe that I wouldn't mind getting on StockX, because I feel like this shoe was definitely, you could definitely get this shoe off of GOAT StockX. I feel like you don't have to really worry about it when it comes to especially these, especially since they were more available. Here's the bottom, but really nice stuff. And let's see, here's the back as well for the left shoe. And yeah, really cool stuff, man. Nike white pair of laces on the shoe off rip. I definitely want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below which one did you guys like more, the University Reds or the Mochas, man. So here we go with the right shoe. Now I'm excited for the right shoe because we get to talk about the laces, man. So obviously we get white laces on the shoe, same details with the colorway and stuff. Get the Jumpman logo, the Cactus Jack logo on it. Really nice. There's the Jumpman logo right here. Really cool. And yeah, the Nike logo in the sail. So we get some brown laces right here. There you go. Brown laces. We get some, they look like the Phantom colorway, but they are actually in a brown colorway as well. And then we get some sail laces. I wish we got some red laces, but I guess I can throw these red laces on if I really wanted to. But wow, it was really nice. Oh, let me show you guys the inside of the shoe. All right, so here's the inside for them both. Should be easier for you guys to see now. There you go. Really nice. And obviously we got the jack on the bottom. That does wear off, sadly. So yeah, that's pretty much it overall. Nothing too much else to showcase on the shoe. Here is the top part of the shoe as well. The logo on the strap. Yes, it is a Velcro strap as well. Just like that. I wonder how this is going to do like years from now. Like, will this Velcro wear off and then the shoe ends up just looking like this when you're wearing it? That will kind of bother me. And that is one thing I'm not the biggest fan of when it comes to shoes like this. Especially, I wish like it was just like this or it was a button. You know, especially since it's Travis Scott, like you would think, because normally like the Air Forces, the Air Force Ones that came out in 2019, he had like buttons on them. So you know, you would think that he would do that. And the Travis Scott 6s have buttons on them as well. So you would think that would be his signature type of thing, to have a button instead of a Velcro strap, you know. But I guess it is what it is. But man, that is the shoe right here, guys. Let me know what you guys think, man. I definitely like the laces a lot, man. These laces are fire for sure. I might rock these laces, honestly. These laces are pretty fire. But when it comes to which one I like more, the University Reds or the Mocha ones, man, oh man, I think I'm gonna go with these. I think I'm gonna go with the University Reds more though, for sure. Just because that black with the sail is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Like the way these things look, I kind of like the colorway a lot more, man. It just pops way more. And it just seems like so cool, especially with the laces too. And I'm not saying that because they're more limited. I'm saying it because it's like, I'm just being truthful. Like, these look very nice as well. I'm a big fan of these as well. But I think I like the University Reds more though. I do. But I definitely can see myself wearing these a lot. Especially, I already know. The moment like I truly go out and just wear these, I'm not going to be able to take them off. I already know it. Because these shoes are so nice. Like, I love the silhouette for both of these shoes, man. And the Mocha colorway is so dope, man. Like trust me, this shoe right here is absolutely fire. And if you guys plan on picking it up, I highly suggest you guys do on resale market. Right now, prices for both shoes are actually going down. Even these, you can get these for $800. They were at about $1,000 when they first released. So I suggest you guys pick them up now. I don't know if there's gonna be another price hike. Maybe once the other colorways drop, that's when these prices, especially these, I see these really going up for sure. Especially since this was like, what? Wasn't this the first colorway to drop, or was it these? No, this is the second colorway that dropped. So yeah, this was the first colorway to drop. And because of that, these for sure are going to go up in price eventually as we get more colorways for sure. And then obviously these are going to for sure go up as well. And they already are staying up too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about this unboxing, man. Like I said, really fire shoe. I highly suggest you guys pick them up now. And they're very lightweight too. They're super light on the feet too. So really dope stuff, man. Yeah, I highly suggest you guys do it, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And stay tuned to the channel for more unboxings, man. We got a lot more dope stuff here on Jack's Kicks, man. You guys do not want to miss it, man. I appreciate all the love and support, man. And yeah, make sure you guys follow my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well. Follow me out on Twitter as well. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.